Taking your vehicle to the next level means more than just bolting on parts. It's about strength you can trust, precision you can feel, and craftsmanship built to perform when it matters most.
We're trying not to be a copier. We want to be an innovator.
This is not another gimmick. This is metal.
I have 50 years of experience, and I have put 50 years of that experience into the products that we make.
This is Tim, founder, co-owner, and operator of Barnes Metal Crafters and Mountains2Metal. This is Nick, Tim's son, and co-owner and operator at Barnes Metal Crafters and Mountains2Metal. Barnes Metal Crafters is the foundation, built on decades of hands-on experience. Out of that experience came Mountains2Metal, precision-built aftermarket parts for Broncos and Jeeps. This is their story.
Mountains2Metal probably started when I was 15, 16 years old. My dad helped me design bull bar for my Bronco 2. But looking back on it, that may have been the beginning of it.
What started Mountains2Metal is really Nick's love for vehicles.
And my dad, I think, saw a little light bulb go off and a spark. With my background in metal fabrication, why don't we take this to the next level, see where this takes us? That took off, and kind of how Mountains2Metal got started.
Well, the business expanded, and we got into the Bronco business.
There are definitely some things missing from the Bronco. I had a whole list of products ready before the Bronco even got into our hands.
Developed a couple products that we felt that would move over to the Jeep world. Flip-up tray and our attic tray.
First product was the door pocket. We made a door pocket, and next thing we know is the cargo area is lacking. It needs some more utilitarian features. So why don't we make a modular system to go back there and make it all flow together and work together, and make it so the average person can customize their Bronco how they need it, and it's not hard to install the stuff. This is our flip-up cargo tray. It will flip up to 60 pounds. It can also act as a pet barrier. It will stay in the up position while you're driving. This is probably one of the coolest products we make that we designed in-house is our attic shelf. It is up and out of the way. You can't see it while you're driving.
The attic tray, we're the only ones on the market that are offering that.
This is our cargo tailgate. This slides out. This will hold up to 500 pounds. So this is our squatch basket. This is one of my favorite things, definitely a game changer. Store all your knickknacks, your sunglasses up here. I keep a flashlight stored right here, quick access. These are designed to go on the rock rail for the 6th gen Ford Bronco. They're very heavy duty, stainless steel top plate, 3/16 steel construction. I have these on my personal Bronco. I am 6'4", but I still like to step up in my Bronco. These are prepped to be put on our welding robot, which is right behind this station right here. If I'm gonna personally put a product on my vehicle, I want it to work properly and be functional. We try these parts out before we make them. We put them through tests. We ask other people that we trust to test these products, and we make changes as we see fit. This is our 6 kilowatt fiber laser. We process the majority of our products through this machine. Gives a clean cut finish to all our stainless, aluminum, and steel products. I want it to leave here looking good. And I try to instill that into all of my coworkers every day. Everybody's an inspector at this shop. I feel like if we can control all of that from start to finish, that'll make a better product in the long run. You have a toolbox, you have enough to install the majority of our products at your house.
We take pride in not drilling holes, modifying your vehicle in any way. We want them to know that we make the best products on the market for their vehicle. Made in America, made in Wilson, North Carolina.
You don't build your vehicle to blend in. You build it to go further. That's why every piece is engineered with purpose, crafted with intention, and built to raise the standard.
that's where we come in.
They're Mountains to Metal.
We're Mountains to Metal.
Mountains to Metal. Built from experience. Built to perform.